It is inevitable that your bucket teeth and bucket cutting edges will wear out over time. So what is it that we need from you in view of getting you the accurate parts in a timely manner? Over time, the teeth on your digging bucket and the bolt-on blades on your grading buckets naturally will wear out. Whether it's digging rough terrain or grading rough surfaces, they're naturally gonna wear down. But replacing worn teeth and worn cutting edges helps you run more efficiently. You may wonder, when should I replace my bucket teeth? There's a couple things to keep in mind. Digging is taking longer could mean that your teeth have worn and are not penetrating the soil quickly anymore. Teeth get rounded into a small stub. On the cat style tooth, when they get worn like that, there will be a hole in the top of the tooth. There are cracks or sections missing of the tooth. Now, if you see any of these 3 points on your digging bucket, it's time to replace your teeth, and they're available at Rhinox. Wondering when you should replace your bolt-on blade on your grading bucket? There's a few things to keep in mind. You should keep an eye out for the bolt-on blade wearing back to the actual bucket edge. The bolt-on blade is designed to protect the bucket lip. If your blade has worn down to that lip, it is time to remove it and reverse it if your blade is reversible, or replace it. If you start to wear down the bucket lip, you will wear into the welds on the sides of your bucket, and it will weaken your bucket and it will start failing on the job, costing you time and money. Ordering replacement parts from Rhinox is simple. We stock all of the teeth and blades for all of our buckets. You can get in touch with us by the contact information that's on the screen. To ensure that you get the correct parts, make sure that you have the make and model of your machine and the width of the bucket, or the product serial number and make can be found between the hangers on a Rhinox bucket. Want to see more of the buckets and attachments that Rhinox offers? Click here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel in view of getting all of our latest video content.